My father is doing well. Mwebale kutusabira daddy operation yatambula bulungi. Although achawulira mu obulumi, but he will be fine. Byonna ebyali bimuluma sikirizibwa kubyogera. It's private. Tebogera bulwadde bw'abantu mawulire. It's purely private. But thank you Ugandans. Mutuwagala. Tetulina kye tubabanja. My family and I, abana Uganda mutuwagala. I don't know, we have God's favor. Everywhere you go, to have a Queen BS, some people thought that the Mirundis are done. But here we are. We are moving TVs. Where my father goes is where people go. You have supported us genuinely. So many people across the globe have sent money. But your setters on Nazirabia Bajo, bane mugende muwagirekire vaje. Agasti, is it inganya Agast? Mugende muwagirekire vaje. Bajo sete twazirabye zatose. Nabalala. So, to be loved is a favor. Tuvuranze junior mumparanyi. Thinking that most of you think mbunja kubabubi. I'm blessed by God from day one. Nzedabye nina sabi subira. I did think that I would reach far. Hirazi chimwina chemungamba chisobora kuntisa tisa. Mbujuni yanja kufa. Yes, this is a process. Nalinja kubera kunsiruberera. Abafudde mbasingati. So, all these are God given. Nimusango omuntu akutuddeko. Bakugeya tebalina na kye bakumanyiko. Now Miss son of Mirundi, grandson of Yohana Mirundi. Ongeyeeko ki? Because I don't wake up to be a member of parliament. In this world I need nothing. Nothing at all. Mbera maloji nga newumulidde. I'm at my home sleeping. Kati, how can you lecture me about life? That I should stop playing sex? Of course I can't stop playing sex. I will come in peace. Whether you like me or not, I will continue coming. So there are things I hear. Junior want over don't patch. Okay, before you loved me, what were you giving me? Kamanyiro na kumanyira bantu. Some of you think we shall come to your homes, but to beg you, please, help us. That's one thing I told you. Mujano ne muandika bu comment bwamwe. Junior, simanya sikwagala. Kati if you don't like me, so what? When you were liking me, what were you giving me? Mugende mwe mukole Mutujeeko obwavu bwamwe n'ennugu zammwe. Some of you I don't know. Mutulaba mu bebifaananyi by'abaana bammwe. Abaana bo bali mu kyalo babona oli wano neesibyeko. Kati nve maloji gyembeera. Should I leave lodges? Nze junior nsiba masawuna. Banyiga mugongo mbeera musipa. This is life I know. So you want me to go to the bush to fight President 7? I will not. Okay, I have refused. Call me all sorts of names. Me I refuse to suffer. Nze nagano bona. Ninga na mwandu saraiza. Junior from day one. Mubeerawo. Omanya abantu bakukyawa. Because you are not suffering the way they want. Abantu bagala nyojjo bagaye banange ndi bubi. Nalwadde. That will not happen. It will not by the grace of God. It will not. The Lord knew me before I was born. And that's enough. Seta gabi no biwano. Ataba mbaluwoza. Mbera koko kumutimbagana wamne baka. Junior yagala kusikira isima. How can I be here of the late isima really? I'm Junior. Son of Mirundi. Grandson of Yohana Mirundi. That's enough to me. Seta gayo bitibwa bidala. Is it people who think I have titles? No, my titles are enough. I'm Tamale Mirundi Junior, son of Tamale Mirundi Senior, grandson of Yohana Mirundi. That's enough. Even if you don't add on anything. Kati how can I have another title? I'm proud of who I am. I'm proud of my family. I'm proud of where I come from. You can't give me your status. Tuvanga mumpite ebweru. How can I travel really? Inze chistura mu Uganda ogenda mu America. Why no kwanga eriye billion? Nti I will come change life. nyende mu America ate nkome onsabirize benalese. Am I stupid? How can I go to America and I still come back the way I went? Filter to bikola. We don't do that. Mbu nyenda nange mumanyire mbu junior yasulanga wano mu Ntebe, me son of Mirundi. Mbu I go there, then you tell your friends, I helped that boy. Junior was here sleeping in my chair. No, munsi tulina kye tuyita dignity. Ne bwoba toyina nete wemalanga mu werekeranga mu ekitiibwa. Sigira uyina kye werekeramu. Ze Junior genda mu nju y'omuntu mumaleke emirembe ennaku 3. That's not me. I rather stay here in Kampala. I drink my beer, I play sex, I sleep. As simple as that. Obulamu bwangu naye mwaba bufuula obuzibu. Mufukidde abantu ebizibu. Greed. You are competing with people. Junior, I'm not competing with anybody. Not at all. I'm not in any way. I don't even want politics. Nze Junior neyo gerera byange. I talk my things. Sirwana ntalo. Siwalanikika. Nsigira so. Nze obulamu bwange nabufuula so simple. Nere no space yange etaita masasi. This amadi one.